Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting what currently shapes recommendations. You open YouTube signed into the account you use most, then immediately act on videos that misalign. Tap the three dots and choose Not Interested or Don't Recommend Channel to teach the algorithm. Once done, go to History and either remove specific watched items or pause Watch History to stop future signals. These steps remove bad signals quickly and prevent immediate re-recommendation while you move to refine preferences. Next, you build positive signals so YouTube knows what to promote. Subscribe to channels you value and toggle notifications to amplify their weight. This is why subscription matters. Also, like videos you enjoy and occasionally dislike those you don't, because these micro-actions train the model. Once you've subscribed, use the Explore tab and topics to surface new content deliberately. Adding new topics prevents the feed from stagnating. Make these actions consistent over days so preferences stabilize. To finish, lock and control via settings and a quick test. You disable or tweak autoplay and home recommendations in settings to change how aggressive suggestions are, and clear or pause personalization if you need a reset. Then verify the result by opening an incognito window or another device to compare feeds. This shows whether changes propagated. If the feed still feels wrong, repeat Not Interested actions on persistent videos. Clear app cache or sign out and back in. That usually resolves stubborn recommendation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.